the milk inside the pot, right?
Inside the pan.
Inside the pan. Is that right, Kisses?
Hmm?
You add the milk inside here.
No. If it's gonna make 12 hot dogs, daw na lang with ketchup. Para may konting sauce. Pero parang hindi rin fair.
Masarap nung may sauce ni
Kung
Mama.
may sauce, 6 na lang. Kung may sauce.
Yung may sauce na lang for 26.
Tapos, isa-isa tayong hotdog. Yun na lang.
Ay, 6 na may sauce, 6 na plain.
Oh. Tara, square nyo na. What did you do? What did you do?
Ang ginagawa niya sa Maria.
Na ano?
You made the maple pie, but instead of water, you put milk, and then the milk will taste like caramel. Like how?
Sobrang sarap.
As in.
Ano yung si Marco? Pumunta siya sa Magpag.
Ayun.
So,
Halos lahat sila na magandang buhay.
oo, halos lahat sila.
Si Evan.
I'm just happy my mother's okay.
Kasi, andun siya sa mama niya lagi. Hindi niya talaga pinabayaan.
But she had sort of career before coming here already.
Kaya, she's famous already.
Yeah, she's famous already.
Ano pa nga sana siya sa girl trends daw, di ba?
Ayaw niya lang.
What was that?
Girl trends. Like hashtag, not girl. What's up?
Now I watch. I see the ghost color.
Stare? Or not stare?
It's alright. Just wait a little bit.
May pulpet.
Nah, this is gonna make smoke now. Because it's so hot and this milk is cold. I did not think about this.
Alam mo, gusto ko pang mas kilalanin si
No.
Valerie. Kasi,
No more heat.
Kaya naman ni Kuya dito kayo.
na hindi din tayo. Yun, sinabi niya rin.
Sabi ko ni Kuya, hindi kasi ako mas try na, ano.
Nah.
Ganyan talaga.
It's okay.
No, it's the way it is.
Yeah.
At Maria. Ganyan.
It's gonna be caramel now.
Harap niya.
It's okay. It's even better. It's like it's thin. Yes. Oh, nice. Ooh la la. What's my name? Ooh la la. Okay. Kisses.
Hello!
Favorite ko. Hindi pa ako nakakatak.
Kisses. Do you want some?
Yes.
Yes. Could you rinse this out? Oh, wait.
Could you please heat up another stove?
Huh? Heat up another one? Yeah. Which one?
The biggest one.
To what temperature?
6.
6. Is this one alright? Is this one?
Yeah.
Uh,
There's an indicator by the number.
Eh, tapos hindi ko masabi kasi nagtatampo ako sa'yo. Sorry.
Pero binigyan na kita ng time. Yan.
Hindi! Nasaktan ako! As in, nasasaktan ako na hindi mo ako kinakausap. Nasasaktan ako na hindi... Pag nag...
Alam mo, sarili mo iniisip mo. Isipin mo yung nararamdaman ko. Wala akong alam. Wala akong alam. Tapos tinanong kita na gabi. Hindi naman ako nagpulang sa pagtatanong sa'yo. Tapos,
Alam mo naman na pa-bebe ako.
Iyak, alam mo lang hindi ako eh.
Sorry. I love you.
No.
Yeah, ayoko. Sorry, Ate Mai.
Hindi na nga. Ito tayo. Oh my God. Gusto ko magiging
Ano sabi mo kanina? Ano sabi mo kanina? Mai, big to Mai!
Ano?
Yung storage room.
Ma, big
Mai! galing ako sa confession room. Tapos sabi ni Kuya, hintayin mo si Maymay na lumabas sa storage room. Tapos doon ka na pumasok. Sabi mo. Tapos yun sabi mo, Ma, Victor. Ma, Victor.
Gusto ko talaga. Nandito lang naman ako, bakti ko pa. Kukunin. Eh, ganun ka din. Di ba, di talaga natin alam na dito kasi lahat tayo dito. Tapos sabi-sabi pa tayo doon na,
Oh my gosh, baka sa kanina galing yung idea sa atin. Tayong dalawa nagluluto.
hindi kasi big two din sa celebrity. Kaya isip ko rin na big two.
Tingnan mo.
Saan ka? Vibes! Asa ka? ABS, CBN.
Ate Mai.
Patay na, grabe ba?
Grabe, bye. Patay na. Maria taught me how to do it. She's going back for seconds. Do you want one?
Ah, try me, ay.
No.
Na, patay na.
No, don't stick, don't stick. There you go.
Snake egg.
Yeah. Pass me a cup, Christian. Okay, give me a little more milk.
Na.
Make this for breakfast, man. Maria said she eats this for breakfast. Is that alright, Christian? Seriously?
Yeah,
Tastes
it's
good?
good.
Watch out, hot, hot. Yes, hot. Alright, is it off? Alright, no, did. Try it, promise.
Pwede siya.
Yeah. Are you gonna use the stove, Edward? No hot milk, yeah.
I think I'm done. Yeah, no, I'm done now.
Siguro nakikita tayo ni Marco. Siguro tinitingnan tayo ni Marco. Feel ko. Makikita ba tayo nila dito?
Oo. Ay, siguro hindi kasi yan yung magiging black.
Oo, feel ko. Parang hindi tayo makita, tayo lang.
Parang black lang yan sa kanila.
Sunod. Ang dami daw niyang guest.
Sunod-sunod ng mga guestings.
Oo. Ilang days para mawala siya.
Ano yan sa tingin mo reaction mo?
Okay?
Marco.
Ang reaction niya kanina, parang okay lang sa kanya. Basta, friendship is still going. Ganun pa rin.
Hindi naman siya na weird.
Hindi. Kasi sanay na siyang daming nakagusto sa kanya eh. Nung 20 binasted niya.
Pero ayaw na talaga yung may masaktan.
O, ayun yung mas...
Thank you. Teka lang. Yay!
Did I taste?
No.
Yes.
It's not sweet enough.
Tastes good.
It's not sweet enough.
Yun yung real towel.
Ang unique niya na structure.
A helicopter can land on it.
Yeah.
I'm happy for Marco. Aizan. Oh my God.
What?
Aizan. Grabe. Sino yung concert ng girlfriend? Isa sa girlfriend?
Krisha.
Papa siya?
Yung tinta na pag we love OPM.
Oo. Kasi kauban niya dito.
Elona. Alex.
Ah, ito Inche?
Ay pag,
Nga naman.
Morena Beauty.
Sana din siya? Siya doon na siya concert do. Grabe. Tapos nandun si Aizan. Concert. Aizan naman. Before. Dapat nasa concert. Marbury concert. Ala, grabe. Matugid ko ba
Marbury concert.
A Marbury concert.
Hey, you'd be happy if that was real.
Yeah. But, wow.
Ang weird no, wala tayong ginagawa. Parang,
Hindi, mamaya po yung may book.
roller coaster.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So, I just make myself quiet.
There are some
Then,
moments
then to
where
be happy, then, boom. Just,
I always expect now. Every morning, I expect someone to walk through the door.
Wow.
Daniel Padilla, Sergeant Ordanesa. The girls, when you guys woke me up, Kuya Nonong was here. Every time, every morning I wake up, I usually wake up a little bit before the wake-up call. Look for the girls, leave pictures of me.
wait, it's been, a long time. Ang daming nangyari.
Oh yeah. Scary because here it's, even though we have like, sometimes it's really crazy and really hectic, but it's really peaceful in here. It's like our own little world. Thing is, when you get out, like nah, guess things,
Different.
concert.
You be here, Reed. Enjoy.
I'm not sure if I'm ready for the outside world yet. When I go back, but it's not gonna be like it was before.
I'll be happy for you. Ready.
It was a big equal. First thing I'm doing, I'm gonna borrow someone's phone. I'm gonna go on the internet. I'm gonna play all my music. No, all my music. They could put me in dinosaur ages for a week, and I'll just listen to music and eat food. And read the newspaper, just whatever. Newspaper. Ah. So, that happened to this person. No, just... But I'm still preparing myself for tonight because I think
There is something. It's about Big Two.
if it is about the big two, it means our journey's nearly finished. No. My friend, I didn't tell him that I was in, but I told him that I was auditioning.
Yeah.
And he said, if you get in, when you come back, I'm gonna make sure the whole school knows, and then we're gonna celebrate.
Ang ganda, no?
What?
If you come back, then there's a lot of...
No, not in Germany, not in Germany.
Ano
You
yan? Ano yan?
Hindi.
Yung ano
Ano
yung...
ba?
Parang masarap lagi tingnan.
Lagi. Ay,
Sarap. Parang ginawa ni Dot, pero may oatmeal.
Cute.
No,
May oatmeal. Yes.
ano to?
Gatas at saka sukal.
in the
Maria, Ate Maria.
yeah, but it's different.
That's it.
Yeah, okay, oatmeal, but still
Hindi lang
before.
ko ba nagatas ng kay ba?
Oo. Sige po, be.
Si ano, si... Skengyo.
As.
When you get something cold, it's really cold. Hot out here.
Yeah.
Sabi ko,
Ano makaka-relax ka? Ang sky.
Siguro to. Siyang tumibig. The big
Alright, well, we can eat outside today.
Ganda natin sarili natin. Basta. Laban!
Kapan?
Laban.
Kapan?
Basta may tiwala.
Lami, hindi yung... Pero excited ako. Kinsa mo dyan, oh my gosh, proud yung tayo.
Hindi. Kasi binigay natin yung gusto.
Kasi,
Tsaka, wala akong, as in, isa sa inyo, kaya siguro, yun nga, kaya siguro pinili tayo ni Kuya kasi tayong mga taong may pangarap, palaban, at talagang nakikita niya yung kaya natin. Kasi bakit hanggang ngayon nandito pa rin tayo? Kasi may pinaglalaban talaga tayo.
I never thought I could still be here, way up here.
Hanggang,
Sobrang taas na namin.
as in,
Oo.
as in, ba, na, grabe naman yung kinibay pa rin, di ba?
Sakto.
Ano,
Oo, kaya
yeah.
dito yung araw.
Yung feeling na ang goal mo lang yung makapasok lang. Biglang 6 na lang tayo. Tapos, uy, may gulo na ako nung lagi ka, Dani.
Ang gali! Oh my gosh.
Timay, dito tayo mag-dinner. Ganda. Dito tayo. Dito.
Oh, pwede.
Si Edward ang may idea. Sabi niya, why not let's sit outside? I'll tell the others. Narahan ko na siya. Yung ano natin dati. Magsaing muna ako. Doon na, tapos na.
Alam mo,
Magsaing? Oo.
yung mga barkada,
Ganun na,
nagkakamali
magsaing na.
sila.
Ilan? 5.
Yun nga, di ba, ikaw lang yung
Kasi may ano na yun dyan, initin namin. Ilagay na.
Ang
dami.
Umugay mo
4 lang.
Timahi ka na.
Yeah,
Ano,
marami.
kasi parang na-inspire
Yo,
sila.
late tayo.
Dili.
Gutom yan.
Pero kung, for example, house tayo. Tapos kapag tayo na lang dalawa yung natira, parang medyo awkward yun.
Anong tayo?
Pero pag ikaw sa iba, hindi masyado.
Eh, kapag ikaw, ganun man ano.
Kinsa, kinsa.
Sir,
Kinsa.
Siguro kulang ka. Ay, sa...
Favourite kinsa.
hindi ko alam.
Remember? What's up? Camera.
Like for example,
I already told them. They
silang
agreed.
dalawa, may secret sila na, hindi ko alam. Tapos
Useless.
Arbay?
Sour. Yung,
Wala mo.
may gusto ko sabihin. Baka kasi yun yung makatulong sa'yo na makaano ka ng ibang tao, mas makilalanin mo pa kasi kapag dyan
For the whole day tomorrow,
kaya malalaman yung mga tao nagmamahal talaga.
tomorrow I want the entire day
Pero
to
may ano
cook
talaga.
Vibery, Edward,
Like, my best friend lang ako sabi. Like, siya
and
yung
kisses to
ano,
cook.
Kasi parang ikaw, yung sa lahat.
Turuan natin sila.
We'll guide you.
Bro, okay lang.
Vibe,
Gumaya siya.
boss, tulo mo muluto ha.
Storya ba?
Ha?
Tulo mo muluto.
Ano?
Ikaw, si Edward, ug si Kisses, whole day.
Ha?
Ugma.
Yeah, I'll cook breakfast.
Yeah.
Para, ano kayo?
To learn.
Para, kahit wala na tayo dito,
Kay baw siya
Wait
kanang
lang.
gamay lang, pero di pag itin.
I don't know recipes, but like cooking egg, I can do that.
Yeah, what else?
Cooking egg, yeah.
Si Vibery, I want for lunch.
Vibery, I'll go.
Kisses for dinner.
We'll be eating for dinner and for lunch then.
I'll save my egg for just in case.
Sugas.
Huwag mo naman. Full trust to
Hindi,
them.
I'll trust them. Pero kahit sunog, dapat kainin natin. Pero,
Sarap.
basta lang.
Ang ganda!
Timay, kayo ba kung saan dili siya planet?
Oo, na ano ko. Hindi planet ang sun.
hindi.
Star.
Star, yeah, star.
Star, there's, I don't know, it's a star.
It's a really
Oo,
big
star.
star.
Pero di natin alam na mas malaki din yung nasa,
Outside, sa
yung
solar
mga
system.
marami. Kasi
Malayo sila nakikita
sobrang
na
layo
natin.
daw sila. As in, sobrang layo nila dito sa Earth. Pero bakit nakikita pa rin natin? So, feel, baka
Malaki talaga.
Meron nga yung sabi ko sa inyo yung Earth, parang
parang yung muta daw ng,
muta ng langgam.
Guys, my maths teacher told me something. Or sorry, told the class something. That
Math
actually,
teacher?
it blew my mind. And like,
why?
like, all right, in like the universe. All right, you know, Earth is pretty big to us. But in terms of the universe, the Earth is equivalent to like the size of a grain of sugar in a cup on a table in Belgium. And like, if you don't understand what that means, like Belgium is a small country, coffee table, quite small. Like that's how small the Earth is in the universe.
Isang ganun lang mang asukal.
And then there's so much more. Does that make you realize, how crazy,
Tapos tayo, ano pa kaya tayo?
like how insignificant you can feel. Not drama, Edward, drama.
We don't even know that there are other living.
Yeah, right? I think there are other things.
Oh, there are.
But in my
Alien na rin tayo sa kanila.
Pero hindi kasi ako maniniwala hanggat
Hindi ko nakikita.
But I think they're scared of us just as much as we are.
Wait, ano yun? Kasi nalilig ako sa galit sa Milky Way. Ayan.
Kahit mas malaki yung universe.
Ay, solar
Milky
system. Tapos,
Ay, tama, galaxy.
solar system. Tapos universe. Ay, ano yun? Ay, wait lang. Solar system. Galaxy. Milky Way.
Universe.
Solar system. Tama nga yun. Universe.
Galaxy.
Galaxy. Milky Way. Yan. So, Milky Way. Isang Milky Way. Tapos, nandito
Isang
na yung
universe, isang solar
system.
system.
Isa. Pero, Milky Way talaga yung parang wall talaga. Yung wall.
Oo.
Tapos, marami pang Milky Way.
Hindi
Milky
Milky
Way yung
Way ang tawag, pero parang ganon.
Parang,
So, maraming ganoon.
Oo, marami.
Sinong nakadiscover?
John. Basta John
So,
something.
meron pa.
Meron pa.
Yeah, we're just one.
Oo, one lang tayo out of a million.
Nah, more than one.
More than a million, in fact.
Baka may tao pa ba na
hindi tao siguro mga living things na parang,
walang,
parang may life ganyan. Pero
Pero iba talaga.
Hindi nga natin masabi kung meron ba. Kasi wala pa naman.
How much diversity is there in one continent, much less the whole world? And then we're just off.
Nakita niya sa Facebook yung baby na ano talaga siya, literally walang ilong.
Baby?
Wala siyang butas. Sa ano nakita.
Should we eat this? Oh wait, kisses.
Tagal?
No, I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. Oh, oops, sorry.
Kasi naisip ko, meron ba talagang tao? Hindi ko na inisip yun, mamatay na siguro kung wala pa na kung alam kung meron ba tao sa... Diba? Kasi ang dami na namamatay, hindi ko nila alam kung meron ba tao. Huwag ka na maisip na buang ang anak. Tsaka mahirap din maging astronaut daw.
Nakita niyo yung The Martian?
Masyad, ayan!
The Martian.
Sobrang
The Martian, sobrang hirap ng buhay.
buhay niyo.
No, where he cooked potatoes with his own poop.
Yeah.
Gusto
No,
ko yung
he
last.
grew them, grew them.
Wanna ask question? Gusto ko yun.
Oh yeah.
Parang unending yung ano. Pero maganda. Kala ko nga mamamatay siya kasi ay! Ganun yung ay! Ay!
Mas nabutas yung...
Nabutas pa yun.
Yung ano niya,
Ano, yung... Kita yun yung galaxy. Ay,
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Hindi.
Mars.
Hindi. Yung tungkol sa mga astronaut. Ang daming award nun sa Oscar eh.
Hindi ko alam. With...
Intergalactic.
Interstellar.
No, just the G ang una talaga.
G-Force.
No, it was the one with Sandra Bullock and George Clooney.
Basta it's only one
Sandra
who will
Bullock, I've
survive.
heard of that name.
Only one who
Nah,
survive.
you don't know?
Screen name.
No.
No, what's her, screen name? What is her character name? Like, for example, Cara Delevingne, like, something like that.
so many.
For example, Johnny Depp, Jack Sparrow. Sandra Bullock.
I don't know. It's like she's not a character in like a fantasy movie, but she's like,
Marco.
have you heard of The Proposal?
Familiar.
It's like a romance comedy.
The ending. No, ending.
Pero nakakaiyak.
I heard that version.
Naiba yung ano nila.
Tapos, no, masakit. Kaya yung support ni Adam.
Lalak.
Na,
Bukok ulit.
hinahanap kita.
Bukok pa si Margo na to kay puro lang iyak, happy na.
Yung nako paper towns na naman.
It's a big deal.
Ang lalaki ng langgam. O, tingnan mo, oh.
No, I've seen a bunch of those before.
Ang dami nila dito.
But I'm gonna be like, no, what have you done? Call it.
Pinapalitan ko yung ano eh.
You know Magic by Coldplay?
Siguro ba ano yung yan? Hindi na papalitan.
Magic.
Magic.
By
Ah,
Coldplay.
yung ano.
No, yung
Dati
CD.
kasi tignan yan eh.
It's a song.
I'm at Magic.
I got the magic
That's
in me.
B.O.B. Bombs over Baghdad. That's his
Magic
name.
Dragon Ball.
Tubig oh.
Ikaw na tabi, ato ng pagkaon mo.
Kisses,
ano
wala
to?
pa.
Ay na, mo
Saing.
na kagluto?
Ay, kinsa.
Daliara, uy!
Saing wala pa ba eh.
Sabi mo nagsaing na.
Bago-bago lang.
Ay, magulang. Pwede na.
Christian, you know
Yung
Coldplay,
pag-isip
Coldplay, the band?
Yeah.
Magic, you know the song?
No.
Nah. Library?
Coldplay.
Magic.
by Coldplay.
Nah, you guys.
The scientist.
Tayo mas scam, kung ano yung mga ginagawa nilang ng ex-house.
Ayun na si Kisses.
Yun na yung gagawin natin.
I promise, nakita ko na si Kisses. It's the si Kisses.
Yeah. Call it true.
Sa CR ata.
Call it.
Happy sila, eh. Jason na ano.
Ay,
Guitarist.
sana mayat siya.
Who's by?
I just got rose.
Kaya ko yung gigong sa tuwag ko eh. Pero lisod po kay kung wala siya kauban na rin niya. Sa paraiso.
Napan mo, kamo jud duha. Close ni Pinich. Sige, sa gawa, sino ba yung ka-close? Wala man no.
Wala.
Tayo talaga. Pero close, naging close talaga ko.
Baka na kami naging close kay Dennis yung
Umalis siya.
Yeah,
Naging
boys,
close, tapos naging attached talaga ako
Kasi
kaagad.
yung nag-joke-joke na kay Dennis.
the boys from day one were really close.
Except,
Nah,
I think me. I wasn't really
no, but the boys also in general were really close.
Oh, yeah,
Compared
yeah.
to the girls, we were like first of all the girls were more, yeah, but still the boys got really close, all of us.
Yeah. Sarap caramel. Sarap
May,
naman.
may gatas kasi hindi yung favorite.
Caramel.
Anyway.
Ay, hindi ko akalain ang mangyayari. Nakikita kami ni Pinky.
Jesus. Wait lang guys, balik na ako.
Panaginip.
Nah, there's.
Sis, I
Maniniwala.
can't get this song out of my head.
Huh?
Ano daw? May bulate.
What?
Asa?
Siguro yung tinapon mo kanina.
It's not. I think it's not. I think it's not worm.
Pustahan.
Hindi. It's not.
Wala, nahulog.
Nahulog.
Ay, hindi. Kahoy lang na screengy.
No, I didn't touch. He nearly.
Yeah. Marco. Yung may lapel prat na buwan sa
The song "Magic" by Coldplay. It's the only song I thought I could sing because it matches my
ano yun?
voice.
Ako maragkuan.
Because it's
Kanang
not
weed
Jolly
or
Jolly. It's a love story. In the music video, it's about in the circus before there's magician.
Yeah.
There's the magician. There are usually two magicians, or at least one main magician and an assistant. There were two magicians, and they were husband and wife, the magicians, and the wife had an assistant who was a man. The male magician was always, abusing the wife, and then it's all about how the assistant makes the magician fly away. Like does a spell and makes it fly away. That's why it's called magic. No, it's the only song that I because there's no fluctuation.
Okay, so it's
it's
due to your
good for
voice.
my voice. No.
I think you can, you can sing. When you sing yung chipmunks, and then you hit the notes, then like, something hidden talent about this guy with the big eyes.
And the big
Big
forehead,
butt.
and the big butt, and the big boobs, they got it. And the big heart.
With,
Diggity. Diggity. Call it magic. Call it true. Still I call it magic.
tapos bumaba.
Like,
Meow, voice. Wala? Baka ano lang kay kuya na, mo na ako sa Sa eviction siya pumasok?
So, dulo ng hallway. Pero,
Something's going on. Sa eviction talaga siya pumasok.
hindi siya pumasok, pero nandun siya nakatayo. what to do, gotta find out the truth, gotta see the reason
Reason
why.
why.
Screaming.
Here, in PBB.
It's the last?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's in PBB.
Oh, it's Lona.
Screaming, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah.
So why can't we sing Bailey's song?
No,
It wasn't composed here.
Ah, okay.
Pag pwede na.
Hindi yun dito.
Ano starting ng Timay?
si ano, si Becky din nakakaalam. You walking away. Kasi pareho yung boses niyo.
Grabe yung rap niya nun eh.
R&B. Where are you? Reason why. Gotta know what to do, gotta find out the truth, gotta see a reason why.
Screaming, yeah.
Hindi pa. Na, 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 na. I ain't gonna lose control, cause I know that I'll win the fight. Screaming, yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, yeah, oh. Ang ganda. R&B.
Itapon man sa full vibe.
Alam mo, isa sa mga gusto ko R&B. Kilala mo sa JR? Sobrang, siya yung pinaka-the best. Ang pinaka-idol ko na R&B dito sa, sa Philippines. Wala akong nakita kagaya na, yung sulit talaga na, KZ.
KZ Tandingan.
Ganun ko. Tapos sa babae si KZ Tandingan. KZ na. Yun, KZ.
Happy bat.
Para masaya tayo, di ba ginamit ko yung whippet niyo? Ano yan si KZ Tandingan? Yung, Killing Miss. Ang ganda niya mag-RM yun. Yung pinakababa.
Si Adele, gano'n rin si Adele, no?
Yeah. Pero kung sa Pilipinas, silang dalawa, JR at si Kumpap, si Sarah.
Oo, si Sarah. Ikot lang.
Ay. Si Sarah sa pop. Ikot.
Ano pa ba yung isa? Besides sa tala.
I love Gary V. Gusto ko yung... Oh my God, ang ganda ng boses niya. Yung galing sa puso. Ang ganda ng boss. Si Tony Gonzaga, gusto yung boses niya. Sa ilong, yung parang... Basta may... Yun yung boses niya talaga. Si ano din, yan Constantino. Oh my God.
Ay, Charis pala yun. Charis ba? Pyramid?
Yakap. Yung yakap niya. Yung...
Nalilito talaga na ako kay Charis pati kay Yeng.
Ay, konti. Yung dahil yung... Nagupit na siya ng buhok ni Charles. Pero maganda si Ate eh. Ang ganda ni Rika kanina. Mapa-white pa na sleeveless. Tapos pa-lipstick pa ng red. Tapos may pa-selfie-selfie pa sa mga pants. Ang ganda. Tapos ang ganda niya. Yung ganun yung buhok niya. Doon sa Boyabunda. Sabi niya, kasi pa din. Ganda ng buhok ni Yeng, no? Yeng.
Sanjo.
You guys are like, oh my gosh, no way. I'm like, no.
Eh,
I was so shy because I didn't want to embarrass myself by saying, oh, no. Like, I heard of Sam Melody before. Like, the name, I know.
Yeah.
Di ba may ano sila sa pool?
Kuya talked to me afterwards. Oh, why didn't you introduce yourself? I was like, Kuya, I didn't know who they were, and
What did Kuya say?
no, I didn't comment. He just said, so how was Angel? I was like, "Oh, she's really beautiful." No, she is beautiful.
Pero umaki siya pero sobrang ganda niya.
Tinawag
They're
tayo
both
may
like,
baby spider.
they're all really gentle and kind.
Ganda, ganda.
Super liit yan ng Temay. Baby spider.
Baby pa yan, ang pangit niya pa rin.
Kung kita mo yung
Like your
mata
face, when you do that,
Tignan mo yung mata niya,
it looks
tika.
like the spider. Because you know, that one looks nice, but spider.
Yung tawa lang ang...
Patay na.
As in, pinaka number one talaga. It's...
For me, it is
As in, nasa sa bond paper talaga. Spider, capital S, P, I, D. Ayoko yung malaki ang gumagat. Ang pangit niya, tas yung buntot niya ang laki.
Ha? Spider may buntot?
Yung ganon niya, yung buntot.
Puwet?
Ang puwet.
buntot na siya.
Tapos yung kamay niya, ang papayat. Ganun, kasway. Yeah. Yung malaki doon sa ano, si Arya. Kaya, magaling. Shout out daw.
I hate ones that jump.
Yeah.
And then that flip me out when they jump. When they're crawling.
Do you think you're beautiful?
Ito sa mga braso.
Braso is arm.
Timay sa English, anong part na to? Nakatawan.
Uncle.
Wait, uncle.
Ito yung mga uncle.
Saan yung uncle dyan? Saan yung uncle?
Ito, yung gumagawa.
Hindi ba uncle dito?
Elbow!
Elbow,
Hey,
forearm,
elbow!
wrist. Nah! What are you thinking?
No wonder her body's contorted.
Wait. Basta may bow. Di ba yung
Backbone.
sa... Backbone. Ay, hindi. Yung sa cancer. Di ba? Bakit sila tumatalikod?
Hip!
Sinabi dun, elbow talaga.
Ito ang elbow!
Bakit magtalikod pa sila kung elbow pa lang yung doktoran? Kasi nakita ko talaga si Sandra.
Spine ng cord.
Sino yung na ganon-ganon? Yung flying daw? Sabi ni Sir
Medyo.
Laman.
Si
Enchong Day.
Enchong.
Si Enchong Day. Nasa ano talaga siya sa, yung sa 14, as in na, hindi, parang, ano yun sa MMK, parang may cancer siya, tas kailangan ano yung elbow. Bone marrow! Bone marrow, hindi elbow.
Ang bone marrow yung nasa loob ng buto. Kahit anong
Bone
buto.
marrow.
But how's that nowhere near elbow? Bone, elbow.
I'm sorry, it's just the same rhyme. It's just rhyming. So, yeah, namali ako.
O, ito, anong part to?
Ano ba? Hindi ko alam. Oh my gosh.
Collarbone.
Akala ko uncle. Ay, akala ko dalawang uncle. Kasi di ba dito, so may kamay din.
No, my, no.
So, I'm sorry, that's what I...
Okay, my.
Tayo ka
Head,
nga.
head, neck.
Ano ba?
My,
Nagkakulutuan.
listen.
Because I'm very-
Listen. Collarbone, this one. Collarbone.
Ito.
Collarbone.
Why? It's collarbone.
Kasi
Because-
parang collar siya, nakita mo sa...
Oh my God.
Collarbone.
Di ba? Wait,
Shoulders.
Wait,
Breast.
I explained to you why I didn't know because it's just elementary. And when we do high school, there's no
Doana.
skeleton like balik ka sa uno, ana-ana. Kasi akala ng teacher alam, pero talagang sobrang tamad ako basta mga bone, memorize.
Kamag.
Tamad, lazy. And then when I do exam, I study today, and this is the exam today. And then,
I forget tomorrow.
Okay, now, this is the head.
Hawakan mo.
Okay, go. Scan. Scan.
Ito.
Now, it's my first time that this is a collarbone.
What's this one?
Ribs. I'm ribs. This is ribs. I'm sorry.
My, this one.
Spinal cord.
Ito.
No, my. This one.
Ito.
Ah. This is the spinal cord.
Yung sa gitna.
This is
Yeah.
ribs.
At
You know what a cord
This is
is?
the ribs.
Mai, you know what a cord is? A cord.
cord.
No, I don't know.
It's like a cord,
So like a line.
I don't
like
know
a
the cord.
string.
Oo,
Imagine
wire.
like a rope.
String.
Rope.
Spinal cord. It's the spine.
Yeah,
rope.
but it's true that
Yeah, it's
they
that,
said
that that's right.
spinal-
Yeah, but
No, it's correct.
if you know the meaning.
Of the cord.
And this is the ribs.
Yeah.
But
I
I
said, what's this? She said ribs.
How many ribs? There is another. Men and women are not the same in number of ribs.
No.
How many ribs do we? Yeah.
It's not the same in the Bible. Because they say that they get
No, they said in the science, right? Am I
Males-
right?
I totally
Males.
forgot
I mean,
this.
I think it's true that males have less.
Less than the woman because,
because-
women give birth.
Sige. Ano tawag mo dito? Anong bone?
Hindi ko pa alam ano to.
Shoulder blade.
Shoulder blade.
And it's called a blade because look, you know, you see,
Pero
because
ano ko na,
it's like a flat bone.
naano ko na may plate. Yung naliban ko
It's
pa
like a
plate, pero
knife.
hindi ko na kailangan na
Wait, eto anong bone to sa loob?
soft bone.
Nah.
Pero may soft bone tayo ito, ilong, at
Anong
saka,
tawag mo dyan? Hindi soft
Wala.
bone. Cartilage.
ay, cartilage!
Etong tenga, cartilage.
Yeah.
Ito, cartilage.
Cartilage.
That's why when you
But it's
when you
soft bone.
decompose,
Pag
You don't
magulong
have
ka,
nose.
wala kang ilong, wala kang tenga.
yeah.
Ang mga
Skull.
sharks, wala
Walang
silang
butoy.
buto. Puro sila cartilage.
Okay, memorize ko. Skull, cartilage, neck, collarbone,
Shoulder.
shoulder blade, shoulder blade, spinal cord, ribs,
This
Bones.
one.
ay, the bone.
The
ito.
bone
I
here.
don't know.
Pelvis.
Asuda na kay anak. Uy, pelvis.
Pelvis or hip bone.
Just hip bone.
Pero tama talaga pelvis.
Pelvis.
Pe-
Pelvis. This is knee. Knee bone.
Oh, what is this? What is this?
ito.
I don't know.
Not the bone. What is the whole thing?
Muscle. Skin. Legs.
Thigh.
Ay, leg.
Thigh. Thigh kasi malapit
This
sa puwet.
my from here to here is
Wait, I'm
thigh.
just asking, why did you still memorize all the kinds of bones?
Enjoy.
No, because we need to. If we're writing in English and like we're describing, I don't know, a situation, maybe someone got shot in the thigh.
This is the thigh.
This is the
How
thigh,
about this?
ankle,
Where's the ankle? Here
ankle,
or this?
lower.
Yung-
Sa may calf, my
So the here, what is here? It's not ankle?
Wrist.
that's wrist,
Wrist.
my arm, forearm, wrist, hand,
Elbow.
elbow,
So
Forearm.
ito yung
bicep,
bunor.
bicep, tricep.
Tricep?
Tricep is the
Sa
one
baba.
here.
Ito,
Tricep
ito
is
mo.
the bicep is this one.
Is that bones?
Shoulder.
No, muscles.
No, muscle.
Muscles. Just the bones.
Bones.
Ito.
Chin. Ay, chin bone. Cartilage. Because it's soft!
No, it's not my way.
It's not the mind.
Hindi pa ba sila kasama ng skull?
Hindi.
Chin.
Kasi pag nakita mo yung pag ginagano nila yung
Ay,
ginagano
what's
yan,
this?
di ba natatanggal? Oh.
Sagit lang ha. Cheekbone.
Ito.
Cheek is okay. What's this?
Butt bone.
No.
I don't know. Just,
It's still the pelvis. But what is this? This one.
I don't know. Promise, I don't know.
You don't know what do you poop out of? No, what is one?
Anos!
Anos yung butas, temay ng puwet.
No, my. What is a single
I don't know. Single.
butt cheek? Like this one.
Butt cheek.
Butt cheeks.
Ah. Pero ayoko talagang ano,
Ate May, masas